A very good morning to all of you. So, in the previous video, this we have understood the fear was there in the first video. In the second video, we have understood the aversion of water, how William Douglas, searched, he has found an instructor for him, and how did the instructor build a swimmer out of the Douglas, and how, the instructor, he was able to take out that fear of water to some extent from William Douglas. Going to discuss that Douglas' will to live grew to intensity. Now he was जब रोज वो स्विमिंग कर रहे थे, so and the training was finished now, because in April only the instructor, he has told that you are ready for swimming. But April, May and June, 3 more months he has taken, and he practiced for 3 4 months, 3 months more, and he thought in July that yes, now I am ready for swimming. After the training was finished, it if he would be terror stricken when he would be alone in the pool. अभी तक तो उसे ये लग रहा था कि मुझे इंस्ट्रक्टर सिखा रहे, तो that he was there in the comfort zone. He tried and उन्होंने अकेले जब ट्राई करने की कोशिश की तो हमेशा जो है उनका ओल्ड टेरर वापस आ जाता था. बट नाउ ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड, बिकॉज उन्होंने अपने माइंड को इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया था कि ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड. He was still not satisfied, so he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire and he swam 2 miles across the lake. कि एक अपना कि कितना मैं जो है ट्रैवल कर सकता हूँ, कितना मैं स्विमिंग कर सकता हूँ. When Douglas was in the middle of the lake, he put his face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. अब जब उन्होंने ये किया, जब 2 miles उन्होंने लेक को किया, what was the name of the lake? It was Lake Wentworth. The old sensation came back to haunt him. But this time, the Douglas, he was strong enough. He swam on, yet he had some residual doubts. Residual doubts are the leftover doubts. At his first opportunity, he went to Warm Lake. He swam to the other shore and back. He was thrilled with joy, and he had conquered his fear of water. The experience had a deep meaning for him. Why? Because he has seen the death approaching. उन्होंने जो है डेथ को बहुत पास से देखा था, बहुत मुश्किल से वो स्विमिंग पूल से बचकर आए थे. उसके बाद he started, he searched for an instructor. फिर उन्होंने स्विमिंग सीखी. Then he just tried and he swam to the other shore of the Wentworth Lake in New Hampshire. Now, that is why the experience had a deep meaning for him. Now, he explains that death was peaceful, but it was the fear of death that crippled a person. कि मतलब डेथ से इतना नहीं लगता डर, लेकिन डेथ को आप बहुत पास से देखो, दैट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डेथ इज रियली पेनफुल. Now, here he quotes the President Roosevelt saying that all we have to fear is the fear itself, because he has experienced death and the terror that it could produce. His will to live somehow grew in intensity. So this is all कि किस तरीके से जो डॉगलस है, how he has come up with the fear of death, और किस तरीके से जो it was like there was a terror. What he said is that there was a terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. So that is why कि एक जो डर था, किस तरीके से वो जो डर है, मतलब it has been divided into 3 phases. First is when he was 3 to 4 years old. The second phase is कि जब वो 10 to 11 years के थे, and again उनकी मदर जो है वो याकिमा रिवर के नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में, याकिमा रिवर के like it was the mother keep on saying कि किस तरीके से कितने लोग उस रिवर में डूबे हैं, the drowning experience, और कितने लोगों की डेथ उस रिवर में डूबने की वजह से हुई है. एंड द थर्ड वॉज कि हाउ ही केम. सेकेंड फेज में वो भी आएगा सारा कि हाउ दिस द स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रूजर बॉय ही इज जस्ट थ्रोन हिम इन द YMCA पूल. सो दैट वॉज द नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि वही जो है उन्होंने डेथ को बहुत पास से देखा. दैट वॉज द टाइम दैट व्हेन ही हैज़ सीन डेथ कि अब मैं सर्वाइव नहीं करूँगा. एंड एट द एंड कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने अपने लिए इंस्ट्रक्टर ढूंढा, एंड हाउ ही वॉज एबल टू लर्न स्विमिंग, हाउ ही वॉज एबल टू cross the warm lake, how he was able to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. So these were the first opportunities. These were the opportunities कि अगर वो डर से ही रहते सारी ज़िंदगी तो शायद कभी वो स्विमिंग ना सीख पाते, इतना नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद भी. So that is why it has been clearly explained how William Douglas he was able to overcome the fear of water. So this is all about the chapter Deep Water. The assignments are being uploaded. Kindly do your assignment sincerely. See you soon. Thank you so much.